अच्छा जी, तो स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से। हु वाज द फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली ऑफ पाकिस्तान? तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन बी, क़ायद-ए-आज़म वाज द फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली। क्वेश्चन 2, आफ्टर हाउ मेनी ईयर्स पाकिस्तान गॉट्स इट्स फर्स्ट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन? तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन सी, आफ्टर 9 ईयर्स। क्वेश्चन 3, what official name was given to Pakistan in 1956 constitution? तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है डी, इस्लामिक रिपब्लिक ऑफ पाकिस्तान। क्वेश्चन 4, हु एब्रोगेटेड 1956 कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन? तो इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन क्या है? ऑप्शन सी, सिकंदर मिर्ज़ा एब्रोगेटेड 1956 कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। क्वेश्चन 5, when Mr. Zulfikar Ali Bhutto launched a new constitution in the country? तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है 14 अगस्त 1973। Question 6, according to 1973 constitution, who elects prime minister? तो correct option क्या है? Option B, National Assembly। Question 7, when did Fatima Jinnah joined All India Muslim League? तो correct option है option A, 1939। Question 8, Pakistan national flag was prepared by? तो correct option क्या है? Option D, Amiruddin Qudwai। Question 9, Pakistan standard time was suggested by? तो correct option क्या है? Professor Muhammad Anwar। Option D is the correct option। Question 10, which is the national flower of Pakistan? तो correct option क्या है? Option C, jasmine is the national flower। Question 11, which is the national bird of Pakistan? तो correct option क्या है? Option D, chokor is the national bird of Pakistan। Question 12, who started the Faraizi movement? तो correct option क्या है? Option A, Haji Shariatullah started the Faraizi movement। Question 13, Allama Muhammad Iqbal delivered his famous Allahabad address in? तो correct option है B, 1930। Question 14, in which year British ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी ऑक्युपाइड पंजाब? तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है 1849 में। क्वेश्चन 15, एट द टाइम ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस विच कम्युनिटी वाज इन मेजॉरिटी इन द स्टेट ऑफ कश्मीर? तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ए, मुस्लिम्स। क्वेश्चन 16, हु वाज द वायसराय ऑफ इंडिया एट द टाइम ऑफ पार्टीशन ऑफ बंगाल? तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ए, लॉर्ड कर्जन वाज द वायसराय ऑफ इंडिया। क्वेश्चन 17, who was the first president of All India Muslim League? तो correct option क्या है? Option B, Sir Aga Khan was the first president of All India Muslim League। Question 18, which pass connects Pakistan with Afghanistan? तो correct option क्या है? Option C, Khyber Pass connects Pakistan with Afghanistan। Question 19, who was the founder of daily English newspaper Dawn? तो correct option क्या है? Option C, क़ायद-ए-आज़म is the founder of Dawn। Question 2, who was the second prime minister of Pakistan? तो correct option क्या है? Option B, ख्वाजा निज़ामुद्दीन was the second prime minister of Pakistan। Question 21, the supreme commander of Pakistan armed forces is? तो इसका correct option क्या है? Option C, president is the supreme commander of Pakistan armed forces। Question 22, the third largest city in the Pakistan is? तो correct option इसका क्या है? Option A, Faisalabad is the third largest city of Pakistan। Question 23, third desert is located in? तो correct option क्या है? Option D, Punjab, it is located in Punjab। Question 24, who was the hero of Pakistan India 1956 war? तो correct option क्या है? Option A, Major Raja Aziz Bhatti। Question 25, Pakistan conducted nuclear tests on May 28, 1988 at? तो correct option क्या है? At Chaghi Hills। Question 26, Urdu is a word of Turkish language, it means dash। तो correct option क्या है? Army। Option C is the correct option। Question 27, name the language in which the Holy Quran was translated from the first time in India, for the first time in India। तो correct option है in Persian language। Question 28, the Kargil incident happened in? तो correct option है option C, in 1999। Question 29, who was the first woman governor of State Bank of Pakistan? तो correct option है Dr. Shamshad Akhtar was the first woman governor of State Bank। Question 30, Who was the first CNC of Pakistan Navy? तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन ए जेपर जेम्स। क्वेश्चन 31 the first chief of staff of Pakistan Army was? तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन ए जनरल 𝗡𝗢𝗧 Khan was the first chief of staff। डिफेंस डे इज ऑब्जर्व्ड ऑन, तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन क्या है ऑप्शन ए 6 सितंबर। क्वेश्चन 33 पाकिस्तान टेस्टेड इट्स न्यूक्लियर डिवाइस ऑन डैश, तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन क्या है ऑप्शन सी 28 मई 1998। क्वेश्चन 34 द नेम ऑफ द फर्स्ट पाकिस्तान मेड सबमरीन इज डैश, तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन बी अगस्टा 90B was the name of first submarine। Question 35 the name of the first Pakistani aircraft is, तो correct option है option A JAB-17 Thunder। Question 36 where is the National Museum of Pakistan located in, तो correct option है B in Karachi, it is located in Karachi। Question 37 Ghulam Muhammad Bairaj is also called, तो correct option क्या है option C Kotri Bairaj। Ghulam Muhammad Bairaj is also called Kotri Bairaj। Question 38 how many barrages are there in Sindh, तो correct option है A 3 barrages are there in Sindh। Question 40 the third desert is called dash, तो the third desert is also known as friendly desert। Question 40 the largest natural freshwater lake is in the subcontinent is dash, तो correct option है Manchar Lake। Question 41 the hottest place in Pakistan is, तो correct option क्या है option C तुर्बत। Question 42 the largest city of the Pakistan is, तो correct option क्या है option A Karachi is the largest city of Pakistan। Question 43 which city is on the border of Sindh and Punjab provinces, तो correct option है Kashmir city। Question 44 Pakistan Day is observed on, तो correct option है 23rd March। Question 45 K2 peak is the dash highest peak of the world, तो correct है ऑप्शन क्या है second largest peak of the world। K2 is also known as, तो correct option है Goodwin Austen Peak। Question 46 Question 47 which is the highest peak of Himalayas range in the Pakistan, तो correct option क्या है ऑप्शन A नंगा पर्वत। Question 48 which is the highest peak of Karakoram range, तो correct option क्या है option B K2 peak। Question 49 which is the highest peak of Himalayan range, तो correct option है option A नंगा पर्वत range। Question 50 who was the first Pakistani to climb the K2, तो correct option है option B Ashraf Aman। Question 51 the naval headquarters is located in, तो correct option क्या है option B Islamabad। Question 51 who was the first governor general of Pakistan, तो correct option क्या है option A क़ायद-ए-आज़म Muhammad Ali Jinnah was the first governor general of Pakistan। Question 53 which country is situated in the east of Pakistan, तो correct option क्या है B India। Question 54 who was the first president of Pakistan, तो correct option क्या है option B Iskandar Mirza was the first president of Pakistan। Question 55 Rowlatt Act came into operation in, तो correct option क्या है 1919। Question 56 the national anthem of Pakistan is written by, तो correct option क्या है C Hafiz Jalandhari। Question 57 who choose the name of Pakistan, तो correct option क्या है option D चौधरी रहमत अली ने चूज किया था। Question 58 the severity of 2005 earthquake in Pakistan on the Richter scale was, तो correct option है 7.6 Richter scale। Question 59 Jinnah the only film on the life of क़ायद-ए-आज़म was produced by, तो correct option क्या है option A जमील दिलवी ने बनवाया था। Question 60 till now how many Pakistanis won the Nobel Prizes for Physics, तो correct option है 1 Dr. Abdul Salam in 1979। Question 61 the shortest serving governor in the Sindh's history is, तो correct option क्या है ऑप्शन सी जस्टिस रिटायर्ड सईदुज़्ज़मान सिद्दीकी। क्वेश्चन 62 लॉन्गेस्ट सर्विंग प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ पाकिस्तान, तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन क्या है? ऑप्शन सी लियाकत अली खान was the longest serving prime minister. Question 63 which reforms introduced separate electorate for Hindus and Muslims, तो correct option क्या है? Option A Minto-Morley reforms. Question 64 Swat Valley became a part of Pakistan in dash, तो correct option है B 1969. Question 65 when did 𝗙𝗢𝗧𝗘𝗦𝗓 joined All India Muslim League, तो correct option है 1913. Question 66 what is the national tree of Pakistan, तो correct option है option D Devdar is the national tree of Pakistan. Question 67 who played the role of 𝗙𝗢𝗧𝗘𝗦𝗓 in the film Jinnah, who was released on 7 November 1998, तो correct option है B Christopher Lee ने परफॉर्म किया था. Question 68 which is the national animal of Pakistan, तो correct option है A Markhor is the national animal of Pakistan. Question 69 what is the name of the border between Pakistan and Afghanistan, तो correct option है B Chevron line is the name of the border between Pakistan and Afghanistan. Question 70 in which year did East India Company occupied Punjab, तो correct option है 1849 में occupied किया था. Question 71 gateway of invaders is dash, तो correct option है A Khyber Pass is the gateway of invaders. Question 72 when Muhammad Ali Jinnah was given the title of क़ायद-ए-आज़म, तो correct option है 1938 में ये title दिया गया था. Question 73 graveyard of empires is dash, तो correct option क्या है? Option C Afghanistan is the graveyard of empires. Question 74 Lialpur is the old name of, तो correct option क्या है? Option A Faisalabad old name Lialpur. Question 75 the name of the NWAP was changed to Khyber Pakhtunkhwa in dash, तो correct option है C 2010 में ANP ने convert किया था. Which one of these architect designed the क़ायद-ए-आज़म tomb, तो correct option क्या है? A यह्या मर्चेंट ने डिज़ाइन किया था. Question 77 Benazir Bhutto was served as the prime minister of Pakistan dash times, तो 2 times prime minister रह चुकी है. Question 78 who dismissed Benazir Bhutto government for the second time, तो correct option है B फारूक अहमद खान लगारी ने. Question 79 air headquarters is the headquarters of Pakistan Air Force located at dash, तो correct option है at Islamabad. Question 80 the archaeological site Takht-Bai is located at, तो correct option है at B Mardan. Question 81 the first currency note of State Bank of Pakistan was issued on, तो correct option है March 1 1949. Question 82 the Shimla agreement between Pakistan and India was signed on, तो correct option है 2 July 1972 पे साइन किया गया था. Question 83 which of the following women participated in all 3 rounds table conference, तो correct option है option A Begum Jahan Ara Shahnawaz. Question 84 which city of Pakistan is called the Switzerland of Pakistan, तो correct option है B Swat is known as the Switzerland of Pakistan. Question 85 which country opposed Pakistan's membership in the United States, तो correct option है option C Afghanistan. Question 86 world's highest polo ground Shandur is in Pakistan, it is located in district dash, तो correct option है C Chitral. Question 87 who was the third prime minister of Pakistan, तो correct option क्या है? Option C Muhammad Ali Bogra. Question 88 who was the first governor of State Bank of Pakistan, तो correct option क्या है? Option D Zahid Hussain was the first governor of State Bank of Pakistan. Question 89 Pakistan officially joined the United Nations UN on dash, तो correct option क्या है? Option B 30 September 1947. Question 90 the State Bank of Pakistan was established on dash, तो correct option है D 1st July 1948. Question 91 which one of the following is the largest barrage of Pakistan, तो correct option क्या है? Option C Sakar barrage. Question 92 the biggest district of Pakistan by area is dash, तो correct option क्या है? Option B Chaghi is the largest district by area. Question 93 national fish of Pakistan is dash, the correct option क्या है? Mahsher is the national fish of Pakistan. Question 94 Who took the oath of the क़ायद-ए-आज़म मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना as the first Governor General of Pakistan? तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ए, मियाँ अब्दुल रशीद ने लिया था। Question 95. Who was the first Chief Justice of Pakistan? तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन क्या है? ऑप्शन सी, मियाँ अब्दुल रशीद was the first Chief Justice. Question 96. When was the gas discovered from the सुई? तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है डी, 1952 में डिस्कवर हुआ था। Question 97. खारान डेजर्ट इज सिचुएटेड इन डैश? तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन क्या है? ऑप्शन बी, इन बलूचिस्तान। Question 98. When Pakistan NH and MP motorway police was established? तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है 1997 में एस्टेब्लिश किया गया था। Question 99. Who built बादशाही मस्जिद? तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन क्या है? ऑप्शन सी, औरंगजेब आलमगीर ने बिल्ड किया था बादशाही मस्जिद को। Question 100. पंजाब यूनिवर्सिटी लाहौर वाज एस्टेब्लिश इन डैश? तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है 1882 में एस्टेब्लिश किया गया था। Thank you for watching the video, and if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please do hit the subscribe button to receive the notification for the upcoming video.